Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to celebrate Heather and Landon's birthday. And Heather's favorite cake ever is a Wesson oil cake. And instead of making frosting, she likes the whipped cream, whipped topping on it. And then you crush up the Heath bar. But we have a special ingredient after we make the cake. And I'll show you how that's done. But let me bring you in a little closer. Okay, so the first thing we need to do, you use sour cream in this recipe. And I don't have sour milk, sorry, you use sour milk. You can use sour cream, you can use buttermilk. But to sour your milk, you just need to add a tablespoon of vinegar. And stir it up. I actually had some heavy whipping cream in the fridge as well. So it's part milk, part heavy whipping cream. So 3 cups of flour. And if it doesn't call for sifted flour, don't sift your flour, or you'll get wrong measurement. Sifted flour, you get a lot more flour in your measurement. So there's the 3 cups of flour. Now 2 cups of sugar. Okay, 2 tablespoons of soda. 2 teaspoons, sorry, do not put tablespoons in there. 2 teaspoons of soda. I always put mine through a sieve because I don't want any clumps of soda in that. See, it has little balls in there and you don't want to bite into that if you're eating a cake. That would not be good. And 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, about that much. And 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now I use Dutch baking cocoa. I get it from Farmer Brothers, but just baking cocoa would work. I use kind of heaping ones. Okay. Just mix that up good. Now to this, you're going to add a cup of oil, your sour milk, and 2 eggs. To get the eggs out. Save your eggshells. You're going to want those this spring. Okay, now we're going to blend this up good. So excited gold. Hang on to this. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Ooh, that's a generous amount of vanilla. And a cup of boiling water. Holy mess. I should get my Bosch out. Oh, what a mess. Oh well. This beater doesn't have a low enough speed. It drives me crazy. Gonna have to get a new one. Okay, we're gonna put this in a greased, floured cake pan in the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes. Check it for doneness and adjust your temperature accordingly. And then when we take it out and it's cooled, I'll show you the secret ingredients in the next step. Okay, the cake's all done. Super moist cake. We love this cake. Box cakes, gotta make homemade cakes. They're super moist. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through here and we're gonna poke holes in the cake. Then the secret sauce is sweetened condensed milk. And we're going to hit those holes with the milk. Okay, now we're gonna hit it with caramel sauce as well, because why not? Okay. Frost it with whipped cream. Of course, if you're feeling ambitious, you can totally make your own whipped cream. I had this in the fridge, needed to get it used. Oh, you can hear the click, click. There's Toby. Hi, buddy. And then I'm going to bust up 2 Heath bars, 2 score bars, whatever you want. Put on the top. That didn't break up so good. You can add nuts to it if you want. However, my family doesn't want me to add nuts to it. Whoops. Okay, there you are. It's delicious. Yummy, yummy. Leave any comments or questions below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And have a great day.